Running a repair shop is nonstop. Phones ringing, quotes to send, emails piling up, and somehow you're supposed to keep customers happy, get the work done, and grow the business. Here's the game changer: AI voice agents and custom GPTs. Imagine this: a smart voice receptionist that answers every call 24/7. It can book appointments, answer FAQs, take messages, and route urgent calls to your phone. No more missed calls, no more missed business. Now pair that with your own custom GPT, a personalized AI assistant trained on your shop's services, tone, and processes. It can write follow-up emails, respond to quote requests, send service reminders, and even chat with customers online, just like a real team member would. But it doesn't stop there. These tools learn. They notice that one customer comes in every 6 months for a tune-up. Your AI suggests it's time to check in. They pick up on trends. Maybe more people are asking about hybrid battery replacements. Boom! You've got a new service offering lined up. This isn't science fiction. This is happening right now. Repair shops across the country are already using these tools to save time, cut overhead, and deliver service that feels way more personal. Less stress, more efficiency, happier customers. That's the future of shop management, and it's here today. Are you ready?